Welcome to Wheels Report.
The 2026 Toyota Hilux appears to be an evolution of the current model, with a focus on enhancing the existing base and powertrain while introducing new styling, technology, and safety features. The new Hilux is expected to sport a more futuristic and aerodynamic design, enhancing both aesthetics and fuel economy. Interior updates are expected to include a larger touchscreen infotainment system with enhanced connectivity options, as well as enhanced safety measures like collision avoidance systems. Suspension technology developments are likely to result in a better ride, particularly on rough terrain. A larger infotainment touchscreen is likely, maybe inspired by the most recent Toyota models, such as the Prado. This would result in greater connectivity and functionality. The steering wheel may also be redesigned, possibly with new controls and a more ergonomic design. The Hilux is known for its practicality, and this trend is expected to continue. Expect plenty of storage space, comfortable seating, and a durable cabin that can withstand tough conditions. The 2026 Toyota Hilux will be powered by a new 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder gasoline engine producing an estimated 224 kilowatts. This marks a big increase above the current 2.8-liter turbodiesel engine's 165 kilowatts output. The new engine will be coupled with a 6-speed manual transmission to create a dynamic driving experience. Toyota is also reportedly developing a more powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with up to 300 kilowatts, maybe for future high-performance vehicles. The 2026 Hilux is projected to integrate Toyota Safety Sense technology such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking (AEB). The Hilux is well known for its off-road capabilities, and the new model promises to uphold that legacy with features like four-wheel drive, a locking differential, and increased ground clearance. The global presentation of the 2026 Toyota Hilux is slated to occur in the second half of 2025. It is scheduled to go on sale in the first half of 2026. While no official pricing information has been released, the adoption of modern technologies may result in a modest price increase over previous editions.
Thanks for watching.